Do you want to find out how to get rid of all this condensation that builds up on your windows? Is anybody else sick of waking up to this? Having to go and get a towel and dry your windows like that's a normal thing to do? Well, let me show you what I've found, and they do work. I've tried them and I love them. It's an interior dehumidifier. So what it does is you put it down on the surface and the little beads inside, they draw in all the moisture and it traps it inside, and then once it's full, you just dispose of it and get another one. I now have one of these in all the rooms of the house, and it's helped with the condensation, the damp and the mould. I have linked them below for you to grab yours too.